The OperandiFi application process is fast, easy, and secure. In just a matter of minutes, you can have your customer apply for loan options, choose the best one for their financial situation, and have that loan approved so you can begin working on their project. Let's take a look at how it works. From your OperandiFi dashboard, select Start New Application. This will open up the application cost calculator. Put in the project cost, type of project, and include a short description. You can choose to send the application to the customer, but the best option is to fill out the application with the customer right there. Next, you will fill in some basic applicant information so lenders can do a soft credit pull to determine what options are available. If the customer has a co-applicant, you will enter that information here as well. Check the Terms of Use and Privacy Policy Agreement, and you will be taken to Customer Pre-Qualification Approval. Here, you can reassure the customer that this is a soft credit pull and will not affect their credit score to see lending options. Have the customer agree and sign the form either using a mouse, touchpad, stylus, or touchscreen, depending on the device you are using. At this point, the customer's information is sent to our group of over 300 lenders, and they compete to offer the lowest rates and best deals based on the information provided. In a matter of seconds, you will have multiple options for your customer to choose from, and each loan option varies based on term length, APR, estimated monthly payment, loan type, and can even be adjusted based on down payment amounts. You can also select details on each loan option to get more information. Once the customer selects the option that is best for them, you can continue on to complete the actual loan application. Simply enter any additional information that is required. In this case, more information on the customer's employment is needed. Once submitted, OperandiFi will create the official loan documents for the customer to review and sign. Once the customer has read over the loan documents, have them certify that they have provided accurate information, agreed to the terms, and are applying for themselves, and then sign the document as they did before. Then you, the service provider, will sign the document stating that you have explained that this is a loan intended to pay for services that you will render, and that at this point, a hard pull will be made against their credit. Once the loan has been approved, you will get a confirmation, and now you are able to schedule the work that the customer needs. Using the multi-draw payment option, you can select your stage payment percentages and also request payment when each stage is completed. Upon finishing the job or a stage of the job, you can return to your OperandiFi dashboard to provide proof of service performed, to close out the stage or the entire project, and receive funding.